Hello, good afternoon. This is Teacher Saeed and welcome to our class in Unit 7, Lesson 2, which is the letter J sound. J, 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 J. Yeah, so we have big J and small j. Big J, small j. How do you write it? 1, 2. 1, 2. Big J, small j. Big J, small j. Now we have some words. We have jelly. J, j, jelly. J, j, jelly. Next, j, j, jump. J, j, jump. Jump. J, j, jam. J, j, jam. Jam. J, j, juice. J, j, juice. J, j, jellyfish. J, j, jellyfish. Sentence. What can you see? I can see a jam. I can see a jam. What can you see? I can see a jellyfish. I can see a jellyfish. What can you see? I can see an orange juice. I can see an orange juice. What can you see? I can see a jam. I can see a jelly. What can you see? I can see a jelly. Let's read. J, 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 e, t, 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 jet, jet, jet. J, 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 o, g, 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 jog, jog, jog. J, 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 s, t, 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 just, just. J, 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 ma, pa, jump, jump. J, 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 k, jack. Review some tricky words. We have he, and, are, the, in, is. Let's read some short words and sentences. He is in pain. He is in pain. The jam is in the jar. The jam is in the jar. Jack and Jed are in the air. Jack and Jed are in the air. That's all for today. Goodbye and see you.